principal. Pakilala ko lang po yung mga guest of honors po natin. Firstly, we have Dr. Rosel Rey, founded this gallery in 2022, and our goal was to cater to the young artists ngayon. And we also have Dr. Aladdin Antiquete.
If we celebrate art, art has beauty, and yung flowers pero timeless inspiration. No? And widely used ng mga artists, ang flowers.
Ako'y natutuwa dahil muli nagkaroon at exhibit ang mga artists ng DK Gallery at ang mga classmates ko po.